time is of the essence. I'm looking at overall how many assessments we can actually squeeze into a day. We're seeing more and more customers and insurance adjusters asking for estimates. Hey, we need this very quickly. Please get this over to us so we can review and approve the scope of work. We're looking for the best software to help us do what we need to do. From what I researched, and especially with me having a tech background, to me, Encircle made the most sense. The pictures are great. I love the fact that everything is time stamped and dated. The reports are clean and crisp, well laid out. I like the embedded video feature, so if you're clicking on a PDF, it's not clogging up their inbox. Encircle Hydro, the moisture mappings, the drying logs. It's very well laid out, very detailed. We get no pushback on drying logs at all. Encircle Floor Plan, and that made it a one-stop shop deal for us, especially we utilize our own cell phones or tablets and not have to worry about a huge expensive camera. So my project manager is able to expedite the site visits in a more timely manner. My admin is able to upload those sketches and import them into Xactimate. People may balk at, hey, this is costing me money, but look at how much overall you're going to pay in overtime if you don't have it. We've had tremendous growth. We're looking to expand. So innovative software and the most latest, greatest technology is a huge asset to our operation.